Hello, Madeira families. It's Kenji Matsudo, Superintendent at Madeira City Schools, with just a quick update as you start to plan your school week for this week. It's hard to believe, but we're already to our third Madeira Family Fun Night happening this Thursday, February 2nd, where we will be canceling all homework in grades K through 12 so that you can have a little extra time as a family for something special. We hope that you'll have dinner together, go out for ice cream, maybe even go see a movie, but we'll be doing anything on Thursday, February the 2nd, other than homework. If you're participating in Madeira Family Fun Night and can send us a pic, we would love to capture your moment at familyfun@madeiracityschools.org. Send us a picture and we'll send it back to you in a short video. We're excited to experience family fun this Thursday, February the 2nd, where we'll have no homework. And as always, go Madeira.